She goes by the name Venice Fang Chong, but many know her as Amari. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and just a bit of update to bring to you right now on the program that the song Neko by Amari has hit over 1 million views. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who is being naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Link 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So coming up on the scoop for today, DJ Amri is celebrating, or should I say, recording artist Amri is in a celebration mood right now after her hit single Neko hit over 1 million views on the social media platform YouTube. As you know, Amri has been doing her thing for some time now, and with all the drama that surrounds her lifestyle, she still continues to put out some music, and she's doing her thing to the captivation of many right across the world right now. And I know that Amri right now is in a joyful mood with this revelation that her song that many was underrated at the time when it just came out and has surpassed the 1 million mark. She's in a celebration mood. DJ Amri right now is in Tanzania on a special tour or vacation, I believe, and as you know, she has been just doing her thing. But despite all the speculation and all that is going on, Amri is one of those artists that always try to put her best out there, and even when her fans on social media or the followers try to turn her down, she always turn it around and try to do something positive with herself. So she has been recording a number of singles that have been doing really well, and the song Neko does surpass all her other recordings that propel her to the stardom on the forefront of the recording arena. So with this said, I don't know what Amri plans to do, whether she plans a celebration for this song itself, but she's doing very well as it relates to this, and I know that she's in a good mood with this. I know that she has been just trying and she's doing her thing, and despite everything that has been going on, she is just one of those artists that always try to put out some music, or quality music I should say. But despite what many believe, Amri is a very persistent recording artist, and even when others try to downplay her, she always try to put that foot forward and try move herself or propel herself in that direction to stardom. So congratulations are in high order for Venice Fan Chong, who goes by the stage name Amri, with hitting her 1 million views. So right now, as you know, the recording artist is in Tanzania on a special tour. We're not sure when she will be back in the United States, but until then, we'll just try our very best to keep you up to date with this. So this is the latest we have to bring to you as it relates to DJ Amri hitting 1 million views. This has been Link 007 TV special report, and we're out for this one. Peace out. Bless.